Top 5 most terrifying thunderstorms ever recorded. Number 5. 2012 Super Derecho. Winds over 100 miles per hour destroyed millions of homes. Number 4. Brisbane's giant hailstorm smashed cars, roofs, and even airplanes. Number 3. Bangladesh's deadly 1989 storm wiped out entire villages in minutes. Number 2. Europe's Great Storm of 1999 left millions without power. Number 1. Oklahoma's 2013 supercell created a tornado with 200-mile-per-hour winds. Nature can become absolutely terrifying. Subscribe for more.